Start? Yes, I. Watch you know. See it here now, my people. A press plantain, you know. Yeah, man, in a olive oil. Press plant, cause you know, so we outside and every day. We are do this, you know. This come like a hobby now, you know. Come look how we press them now. Come look how we press them, man. See there? We put them in oil, we make them soak properly. Then we put it back in our skin. Watch me. You press them without them mash up, so you have to make sure they cook. See there? And this is your drop in our pot now. Homemade press plantain. Yes, so press one more, see there? Press it back in our skin. Let me tell you, so this is not normal, you know, brother. See there? We're born for this, man. Don't joke no night. See there? Again. So them here go back in our oil and fry a little bit more crispier, you know? Yeah, man. So, as me say, we take part in a fry food, you know. Even though they would have considered this as dead food, but we not eat all perfect because, you know, the best perfection is imperfection. We just eat to show ourselves so we are still alive. And we don't use it to eat the grave. Some others say basically me eat like 85% goodness and 15% garbage. Yeah, man, we're not perfect out here. But anyway, sitting for come out here, so yeah, now. Make sure so they drain off properly. Ah, the one they broke. Jaja God no. Alright, Mr. Snap that. Catch everything there so. The one you want to turn. The one you ready. You're ready. The one you ready like a Freddy. Woo! I mean I tell you to ride them brown body no. You love me, you love me, you love me, auntie. But most of all, you love me, brother. And that's who's it. Alright, ease up, Rasta man. Ease up, Rasta.